Alright guys, I want to start this video off by saying I hope you liked the most recent video I did, the walk around to the 85 IROC. If you enjoyed it, stay tuned because I got a lot of cool stuff coming up with that thing, so just keep watching, keep looking for new videos. What I'm making this video for is just to talk to you guys about some new and exciting ideas I have in a direction I want to take the American Heritage Garage channel. Of course, I'm still going to be working on my projects and I'm still going to be showing you guys that stuff. But I have a couple ideas of some different ways of talking about cars and bringing car knowledge to you guys. So the first one is a video series I'm going to call Tech Tip Tuesday. I can't promise I'm going to put something out every Tuesday, but a good amount of Tuesdays I would like to put out a shorter video of some sort of technical advice. Whether that be how to heal a coil, a damaged thread, or maybe how to fix a specific part that is tricky, that's different than all the other types of jobs. If there's one little thing on a brake system that's different than the majority of the brake systems, I want to talk to you guys about that. What I really need from you guys is your feedback. I need you guys to comment. I need you guys to direct message me, email me, ask me questions, tell me what you want me to do, and I'm going to spend the time and go hunt down that project, and I'm going to show you on Tech Tip Tuesday. Okay, so that's the number one idea. Second idea is I kind of want to start like a little vlog series. So I'm going to start adding in videos where it's just me sitting down talking about ideas I have. Possibly like a 5 tips you need to know if you're going to work on your own car, kind of a thing like that. So again, it's something that takes me out of the shop and it brings me into a more relaxed setting where I answer your guys' questions and I sit down and I just talk to you guys and give you some of my knowledge and my life experience when it comes to cars in the car industry, whether that be performance or late model maintenance and light repair. So really, that was the whole point of this video. I just want to reach out to you guys and tell you thanks for the support. Please keep bringing it on. I love it. I love answering the questions. I love the comments. Like I said, positive and negative, it doesn't matter to me. I can take it. I got thick skin. So whatever you think, whatever you need, if you think something sucks, tell me. If you think it's awesome, tell me. I appreciate it all. So anyway, I'm going to wrap this up, keep it short and sweet. Please get a hold of me, guys. Please let me know what you want to know about, what you want me to talk about. If you have any questions, I do have a lot of knowledge, okay? I've done this for a while, and I love giving my knowledge to you guys. So just let me know, okay? Till next time, we'll see you out here at American Heritage Garage.